The NICRF is the result of a collaboration between Wellcome Trust and the Wolfson Foundation, as well as our NHS partners, Belfast Health and Social Care Trust, and our academic partners, Queen's University Belfast and Ulster University. And those partners have got together to really create this excellent environment to support researchers to deliver their research programs. The setup in this facility is such that it can deliver research across any area. Our state-of-the-art equipment is a key strength. As well as our equipment, a core strength is our highly skilled clinical research nurses that can support the delivery of research, again across a broad range of research areas.
The location of the CRF is really important. Having it located here within the City Hospital is terrific for us because it offers us the ability to really focus our research in the clinical setting. And apart from that, it's located within the highest density population region. So in order to try and access large groups of clinically diseased patients, we're in a prime location for that.
The NICRF have a range of staff that we need for all clinical trials, and the staff are very well trained. We have technicians who are able to help the nurses. The nurses are cross-trained between subspecialities, and we also have optometrists, researchers, clinicians, and PhD students. We are able to then provide all the necessary infrastructure and staff for running the clinical trials.
I think when you're developing a study, either within your own research program or working with a pharmaceutical company, I think it's really important to have a conversation with the NICRF to see how they can help you. They have huge experience, fantastic facilities, and they will make the study happen for you. We have also been able to attract many pharmaceutical companies to develop drugs with us, and their role has led us to become one of the largest CF clinical trial centres in Europe. Without their support and expertise, I don't think that would have happened.
The whole environment of having very professional receptionists and having nurse covers and having a friendly, supportive environment, I think that makes the patient's experience very positive. And I would encourage anyone to visit the unit, and of course as a user I can only speak very highly of my experience.
Patients like to come to the CRF. I think they appreciate the very friendly atmosphere that's here, and also the extra governance and audit that's required by a facility such as this, so they feel very safe and happy when they're here. We try to be as flexible as possible, and we pride ourselves in being a multifunctional unit, so we can set rooms up for a specific research study and meet their needs for each visit. Our nursing team are more than happy to take on extended roles, and with training they're happy to learn more specialist activities to meet the complex needs of research coming here.
Having a clinical research facility inside a university but working so closely with a health trust is hugely important to our existing academic staff, but also to recruit international researchers from around the world. It is truly unique in terms of bringing an academic community together with researchers who work in a hospital environment.
As operations team, we provide support to coordinators and principal investigators, so we would help them with costing of their studies and the setup of their studies and the resources that they need while they're here in the facility.
I was one of the first patients here. I was on a clinical trial for an extremely rare disease that I have. I've been all over the world. I've been in Great Ormond Street Hospital in Manchester, you know. This is the place where I've been most comfortable, most, happy. I just enjoy coming here, which just shows you how much of a great place it is.
Since we opened the doors of our Northern Ireland Clinical Research Facility, we have supported over and above 50 clinical trials. That's resulted in a huge number of highly cited and important publications, but more important is the difference it's made to patient lives, to healthy individuals' lives, as well as our local healthcare system and healthcare systems both nationally and internationally.